Assalamualaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. In this video, I'm going to show you the weather we are having right now in my countryside. So guys, have a look at the sky. It's really getting dark. Have a look at the sky. Oh my God, it's really likely to rain. And I think tonight it will rain heavily because everywhere is really getting dark. Oh my gosh. And as you can see over there are some people are coming from river. Actually, they're coming from river because the weather is not good. It's likely to rain. I have come to know that uh, tonight it will rain and it's likely to rain, and it's also thundering right now. And sometimes it's thundering. That's why people coming from river and have a look at the sky. It's really getting dark. And as you can see over there, maybe my camera is not focusing. However, I'm gonna make it clear over there what's happening. Actually, people are gathering things. You know, it's thundering every once in a while. At this moment, right now, I'm outside of my home. Actually, I'm in the paddy field, and I made so many videos in that paddy field. As you can see behind me, in this paddy field, I made so many videos. And right now, I have come here to show you what's the weather like today. Actually, after a long time, we are going to have a rainy night. And I think tonight we will be able to sleep very well. And right now, how is the weather we are having? And as you can see behind me, there is a man coming towards me. Actually, he is coming from river, and he went to river for catching fish. As you can see, there is a net, and there is a back. There is a backhand net, as you can see. Oh my God, he is marching. He's walking so fast. He's walking quickly because it's likely to rain, and everywhere is getting dark right now. Oh my God, sir, it's raining. It's drizzling. It's drizzling right now. It's drizzling. So guys, I don't want to make it more longer. Right now, I have to go home because it's drizzling, and I think after a couple of minutes, it will rain heavily. So guys, I don't want to make it more longer. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.